Y'all, I'm really in this bed looking and feeling bummy. I am so tired. We did so much this week. It's now Friday, so it's the day before we leave. I just needed to rest because yesterday we went to the store to get the last of the items that we needed. I already told y'all about all the rigmarole of Wednesday as well as Tuesday. I'm just tired, and the more I walk around, like when we're in the stores and stuff, the more he is like sitting at the bottom, which that's what she said he was anyway. He's down there, so it's like so much pressure. And I found a belly band, but it's not the one that I originally wanted because they didn't have that brand at Walmart. They had it at Target, but they didn't have my size at Target. So I had to just pick up one at Walmart. It's currently about to be like 10 o'clock and it's crunch time. We leaving tomorrow. We leaving early, like at 5 in the morning. And we don't know how we're gonna do it. We don't know if we're gonna do it straight there, take a break every 2 hours, or more than likely it's gonna be however long we both can take it. And then if we can't make it all the way, we'll stop somewhere and I'll find like a dog-friendly hotel like we did on the way up here, and then proceed on Sunday to our final destination. But y'all, it's so crazy because I haven't been taking care of my skin like I should be, but I've noticed like my skin has gotten so much darker since I've been pregnant. Like I used to have like a golden red skin tone and it's like gone. So I'm looking like right here, all of this is darker. My neck is absolutely darker. That's the first thing that I saw get darker was my neck, and that was like early in my second trimester. I noticed that and I'm like, wow, this is different. This is crazy. Baby boy woke me up at 5 this morning. No, 4:15. I had to go to the bathroom. Came back to bed, could not go to sleep. And he was fighting me in my stomach, hungry. I'm probably going to, like I said, try to get up. Everything's clean, so I'm happy about that. I wanted to do my hair today. Not gonna happen. Probably gonna wait till I get to my parents' house and do it. I'm just ready to rest, to be honest. I'm ready to just rest. I'm ready to get back home. Like to go down there, visit everybody, but I'm ready to get back home and just nest and do what I need to do to prepare for baby boy to come home. I went and I got buku clothes, so I might try those on for you today because we went to Primark and I'm shocked. This is my first time actually shopping at Primark for myself. Normally we always go and we see stuff for the baby. Went upstairs and it was like a whole new world. And I'm like, oh, these fit. So I got a lot of clothes from there. I'll probably go ahead and show you guys that content. And then after that, I'll probably end this vlog, to be honest, because it's not what I expected. I thought I was going to be doing and showing y'all a lot more, but y'all mama is tired. Okay, I'm tired. I'm back into that first trimester trenches. For real. I'll be having to pace myself and take my time. And then I'll pick you guys back up or when I start packing everything. Excuse the mess. We in the middle of packing. That's base stuff. Gotta pack that. First, we have this silk pajama set, which I am totally, absolutely in love with. I normally don't have like pajama sets, but since we're gonna be in the company of other folks, let me just get something, an actual pajama set. Because normally I just throw some shorts and a shirt together, but I'm like, you know what? Let me be grown and let me get me some pajama sets. And y'all, it's so comfortable and it fits over my belly like perfectly. I got this in a 2X just so it can be extra roomy as it is, and I'm just comfortable with it. The shirt probably not gonna last throughout my third trimester, but that's fine as long as the bottoms are comfortable. And with these, it's like a light stretch. It's not like a hard hold, so it's not pressing against my stomach. I was laughing yesterday because I'm like, golly, why is all down here? If I want to wear it on my waist, it looks crazy. So I'm like, yeah, I'll probably wear it on my belly just so the ratio is more balanced. But yeah, I love this color too. They had it in black, they had it in navy blue, they had a whole bunch of different colors. So I did get this from Primark. I think it was $24. So that's my first pajama set. We starting off with the pajamas, as you can see. Next, I have this one, which is basically the same thing, but it's a cotton material instead of silk, which I love. Pillow soft, cottony pajamas. I just feel better with it at night. But lately I've been getting hot. But I got these same Primark, and I think they were the same, either 24 or like $16 or $18. I don't know, I popped the tag too early. It's the same exact set, just different material. Very, very soft, very, very smooth. Same size, 2X to grow with me. And just for reference, I am 8 months. I'm close to 8 months. And I am 5'8", and right now I am 200. I'ma just round it up, I'm 280. Your girl is 280, that's crazy. This is what this one's looking like. It's very comfortable, I really love it. I'm only packing three pairs of pajamas and a pair of shorts because I'm gonna be by my people now and they got wash and dryer, so I'll just wash when I need to. We staying there for like a week and a few days, so if I need to wash, I'll wash. And also, I don't wear pajamas all day, but we're gonna see how your girl feeling, because I might be in pajamas all day. That's probably what's gonna happen. Like at night, I might get hot and just put on some shorts anyway. This is mainly just to be out in the open with company or whatever. Y'all, I am so like, I have no glow to me right now. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Like, I feel sinusy. I don't know how else to describe it, but it just feels like something going on up here. Probably lack of sleep. Probably need to take a nap, but that's why I can't sleep until I get stuff done. After this, and I can pack, your girl gonna be early tonight. Next, I found this dress at Primark. I want to put something over it. I don't know if like a sweater, but I used to have these cute kimonos that was like floral, and I wanted to wear that with all my dresses, but I can't find them. Hopefully I didn't give them away to Goodwill thinking, oh, I'll just replace them and stuff like that, because I'd be good on that sometime when I'm ready to clean up. It's just a simple black dress, small, but I want something over my shoulders. I don't really like my arms. I'm ready to, that's what I'm gonna be planning in the car, getting everything ready, getting everything straight of how I want recovery to go. Probably put some jewelry with it or something. But this is what I'm talking about. Y'all see my neck is like really, really dark. I don't know if you can see the difference, but yeah, between like my neck, my like right here, all that is darker than what it used to be. I don't know what you call that or what you would call that, but I heard like some people say melasma, but I don't think that's what it is because it's not spots. So I really don't know. I don't know what shoes I need to go and look at the shoes to see what I want to wear with everything. My whole thing is we going home, so I really just want to be comfortable. And this is just a basic black dress, not tight, very stretchy material. And everything I got, I think from Primark, was 2XL. I wanted it to grow with me. Hopefully it will. This is my first time buying clothes. Like, I didn't have to buy any clothes for the whole pregnancy until now, which I am about to hit 31 weeks. I forgot I had this, y'all. This would be really cute. The only thing is we're going to Louisiana, y'all. It's hot. I already know it's burning up. They ain't got no more cold days. I'm sure it's over with. But it's real simple, real cute. I can dress it up if I want to. I can dress it down like it is. And my Michael Kors sandals that I love are these colors, the brown and cream. So I can always do, you know, that. Just have that, have my belly out a little bit. Or if I want to cover that up and have the right shoes. I got to keep in mind, everything don't look right because I feel like my hair's not done and I'm not glowing and I don't feel like myself. I feel real right now. So I got to just think of the outcome once I'm all done together. Next, I have this dress, which I absolutely love. I wish this was like looser, the collar, and kind of I could put it off the shoulder if I wanted to. But it's very, 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 very comfortable. It's just very simple but cute, but I do like clothes that show my bump now. Just a simple pinstripe dress with little detail right here. And the bottom, I didn't realize the bottom went out like that. I thought it was more like a pencil dress. But either way, I think it still looks cute. I don't think this is gonna be my dress for the baby shower because I'm doing simple. I'm not doing nothing big at all, y'all. I'm really just going home, visiting family, going for the baby shower, and that's it. It ain't about to be no fashion show. Ain't about to be none of that. May not wear it for the baby shower, but I don't think so. I just like how it fits over my bump. It feels so good, and it's a spandex material. So it's very cooling, which I will need down up in that heat. Now I have this dress. Can't tell you, comfortable. A lot of dresses. This is my tag for my bra. I didn't pop it off yet. Basic t-shirt dress in brown. Feels very good, very airy. And y'all probably seeing my shorts under here, but I have that. And I have a belly band to help me with my support because baby boy, I told y'all I'll be down there. Very basic, brown, comfortable, chilling dress. So there's nothing really extra about it. I'll probably pack the same shoes because it'll match everything. My Michael Kors sandals, but then I gotta get my feet done. So I'm gonna have to probably get my mama to paint my toes because I can't reach down there, y'all. I can't do it. I like the green. I feel like the green gives it very earthy tones. It's very fallish, even though we're approaching summertime. That never mattered to me though. I like whatever I like in colors and colors. I don't follow no certain rules. I'm gonna pack these, but I know back home they have like the cutest kimonos, but I don't know if they're in style this season. But I can try to find somewhere if they have them and pick those up because I really love those. It's not hot and sweatery, it's just very cooling. But if not, this is fine because 9 times out of 10 I'm not gonna be hanging outside. I'm not gonna be anywhere hot, and if I am, can y'all bump that air up? Mama is hot. This is the little umber. It's very flowy, big. You can't really see my bump in it. And I'm like, now that I'm looking at it through the camera lens, it kind of look like a muumuu. And I feel like I need something right here, like a belt or something, which I don't have. But the back is like that. I will have to do something with my bra straps too. I was thinking of maybe wearing this to the baby shower, but now I don't know. I don't want it to look like a muumuu. If it had a better flow to it, maybe I can adjust my straps a little bit too to make it pulled up a little bit. Yeah, the sweater don't do it justice either. So I might have to see if I can find like a belt, or I probably should have got a smaller size instead of a 2X, a 1X. Because again, this right here is like, I need it to be a little bit more gathered. A belt or something right here just to break it up instead of it being one big dress. Like if I was smaller and it had like a certain flow to it, it would probably be cuter. Well, that was all of the outfits as far as like if I'm going somewhere or doing something and I need to get dressed real quick. Somebody want to go eat out, somebody want to go hang out, baby shower, all that. Those were those outfits. But for the main part, it's gonna be them PJs and these oversized shirts. I just bought like 3 oversized shirts from Walmart. They were like between $6 to $9, and some tights, shorts, as well as some leggings, as well as some flare leggings. Those are probably gonna be the ones that I'm wearing mainly if I'm just going to visit family, to the mall or something, chilling, all of that. These are so comfortable. Mommies, just letting y'all know, look how long this goes. I got this in the 2X and they're not going nowhere. These are from Target, as well as the biker shorts and all my tights. They all from Target and it feels so good. And yes, it does have the mommy belly band right here. I have my band under it. Between these and my tights, your girl gonna be ready. I'm gonna be ready to lounge around, be ready to just chill out. I am set. All I have to do now is actually pack. I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can for y'all, but as y'all know, I be tired. But I need to get on it for real, for real. I need to start researching, doing better with my editing, doing better with my content, period. And yeah, just overall. So that's what I can't wait to plan and be in a better headspace about. So when I come back, I could jump right into place. I already know what I want to do with my hair and everything. I'm gonna take y'all along with me with that journey, as well as my skin, getting my skin back in order, postpartum, all of that. So just right now, it's a little slow of content just because I'm trying to do the best that I can as a first-time pregnant mom to be. Okay, so I think this will be the end of this vlog, this video. If you can, if you please, if you can like this video, subscribe, comment down below. If you're in your 3rd trimester, how is it going? Are y'all able to breathe? Are y'all able to sleep at night? It's a whole different ball game. My July mamas, clock in. Let me know, you in July, and what are you having? If you kept it a secret, if it's a boy, if it's a girl, let me know. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Let this be a reminder that you don't need a fancy bag to go on vacation. Toe up. I've been having this for years though, y'all. Like, has it been 10? I don't know. No, probably not 10 years, but probably about 6 or 7 years. Airports, all these other places, they don't care about your bag.